You show people how they treat you. They treat you exactly how you show them that they're allowed to treat you. I read a quote recently that said, you do not attract toxic people. Toxic people go to everyone. You are just allowing them to stay, and that's the issue. That is so true. Because they're not picky. Toxic people are not picky. They will go to anyone who is ready to pull them in. So if you're ready to nurture toxic people, if you have very low self-worth, they will latch on to you. All these toxic people, narcissists, everyone, they will latch on to you because you're easy for them. You're a victim. I saw this quote that said, we accept the love that we think we deserve. And it's, again, the same thing. Why do you think this is the best you can do? Why do you think that a person that disrespects you is the best you can do? Do you really think that low of yourself?